Cuisinart mixer that I've only had for a year and a half or so. I do use it every day, and the red light still keeps flashing. I put it in like that, and I press the button. It just lights up. I think the motor's dead, but none of these work. So anyway, piece of junk. I've had two of them in as many years, and I had to throw the other one away, and this one doesn't work now. Very disappointing, because I use them quite often. Used it about once a day at least, and but still, you think they'd make a better mixer than that.